How can I get compensated in a legal malpractice claim? Good afternoon, my name is Neil Burns, and along with my partner Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury here in Massachusetts. Talking today from 6 Beacon Street where our office is, and I've been here since 1987, and I've been asked to talk about how you get compensated. And it's not complicated, but there is a process. So let's assume that you are a victim of legal malpractice. You call us, we agree to take your case. How are you going to get compensated? Some people pay us by the hour to get that, but most of these are contingent fee cases. So how are we going to get compensated? We need to work together to get you compensation. So first thing we do is make sure there's a claim, a valid claim. So we make sure there was a duty that the lawyer should have done, that he or she breached the duty, that the breach of the duty was the proximate cause or the cause of the damages. There were damages that we can identify or quantify, dollar damages, and that we can collect those damages, or that we could have collected those damages in the underlying case. Then we send a letter, a demand letter, or an ID3 consumer protection letter to outline the case, and then we either resolve the case or we file suit. So how do you get compensated? You get compensated because at some point during this process, the attorney, his or her malpractice carrier, says, okay, we've had enough, we agree, or we agree to disagree and we'll pay X amount. But they'll only do that if you have a good case and you're aggressive and effective in getting them to understand your case. You may understand it, but remember, it's going through a bunch of portals, essentially through us, and then through an insurance adjuster, and then through an attorney, and they each want to filter out their way of viewing it. And the opposing attorney, in some cases, admits that he or she did do what we say they did, but they may not agree that the damages are extensive. Some cases they don't admit that they did what we say they did, and we again have to go through these jumps, these hurdles, go through these portals to get to the place where we can be compensated. And we either agree to an amount through regular negotiation, through mediation, arbitration, or we go to trial and we win or we lose. And in that instance, we get compensated once that's finalized. In most cases, there has to be insurance. Most attorneys don't have assets we can actually reach, but that's another question for another day. If you feel like you're a victim of legal malpractice, you want some compensation, call Burns & Jain. Again, we're aggressive, we're effective, we want to help you. Call 617-227-7423 for a free initial consultation, and we will try to help you. Thank you.